Hey guys, and welcome back to the Snap Circuits Workshop. Alright guys, today we are doing an electronic Snap Circuits build, which is Project 61, Light Controlled Sounds. So I think this one introduces you to a few stuff. This one introduces you to the U2 alarm integrated circuit, the WC whistle chip, the RP photoresistor, and the 6 snap wire. Just eating my chips right now. So yeah, we're gonna place B1 on already. Like this. Probably you gonna wait, is that right? Yeah, it is. We're gonna already get the U2 alarm integrated circuit. Alrighty. So now, CD. Here it is. We're gonna get the whistle chip in. This is a big chip. We're gonna place the whistle chip here, like that. And let's see, the photoresistor. Yeah, I'm gonna get the photoresistor already. Oh, here it is. This is what the RP photoresistor looks like. Some projects you have to cover it like that. We're gonna place a photoresistor like this. CRP. Try staring at it for a while. Yeah, and you're gonna place it like that. It's kind of hard to see though. Yeah, you can stop staring at it now. Alright, so now, here you get the 5 snap wire. Let's get a long 6 snap wire. Here's a 6 snap wire. Here it is. Wow, look at how long that is. We're going to place it down here. Yeah, I think that's it for layer 1. So let's get a 3 snap wire in first. A 2 snap wire. Let's get another 2 snap wire in. A 1 snap wire. Where is it? Oh, here's a 2 snap wire. What else? Oh, we need S1, which is older S2s actually. S2. S1, here it is. Now, let's put this in. Three snap. Let's get a 3 snap wire in. Get a 1 snap wire. Wait. Okay, never mind. We already added that 2 snap wire one where we weren't supposed to because we haven't done layer 2 yet. We're gonna just replace it to be over there. And then we'll add the other 2 snap wire in later. So, what else? Oh, now it's time to fill out layer 3 with the other 2 snap wires. Let's see. What the heck is that sound? Okay, that's kind of creepy. Wow, that's kind of strange. of loud when I show it to a light. Yeah, that's kind of creepy. Well, alright guys, that's it for our project, and I'll see you next time for another video. Goodbye.